Opening an account with Western Union involves creating a profile on their platform to facilitate money transfers. Here's a concise guide. Visit Western Union website. Go to the official Western Union website or download the mobile app. Sign up. Click on sign up or create account. Provide your email address, create a password, and enter your personal information. Verification. Verify your email address by clicking on the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Additionally, you may need to verify your identity by providing identification details. Login. Once verified, log into your Western Union account using your email and password. Profile setup. Complete your profile by adding necessary details such as your full name, contact information, and preferred currency. Add payment method. Link your bank account, credit card, or other payment methods to your Western Union account for funding transfers. Send and receive money. Start using your account to send money to others or receive funds. Follow the prompts on the website or app to complete transactions. Security measures. Implement any additional security measures recommended by Western Union, such as two-factor authentication, to enhance account security.